Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be building this. So I already unboxed it. Now we have bags 1 and 2, and then we have this piece, obviously, that goes with it. And then instructions. So we're going to open bag 1 first, because it makes sense to open bag 1. We're going to go to the first page, and it's telling me to open bag 1, of course. So we're going to open bag 1. Okay. I watched this YouTuber called Brick Science, who does amazing cool videos. You can check him out. I'll put his link in the bio. Yeah. So. Oh. Sorry guys, I'm propping my phone up with my water bottle, so it's just not good. This. There you go. I'm propping my phone up with one of the toy cars that I built. So. We're gonna put the minifig together, so we can grab the minifig guy versus body. Versus his body. It's in here. We have more. We have this part. We are missing his head and his body. It's in here. Okay. So we need the head. Okay, so we're gonna put the head, her head on. It's not he. It's a she. Apparently, it's a she. So we need the hair and hat on, like so. Okay. Now she just needs her legs. Where are your legs, girl? Okay. Get that out of the way. Where are your legs? Sweetie, where are your legs? Are they in here? They might be in here. We're gonna open both. We're gonna open both bags 1 and 2. We're gonna open both bags because it doesn't matter if we mix them because it's the same set. So I'm gonna, because I can't find her legs anywhere. They're blue. Oh, they're right here. They're so odd. Like, okay, so one is done. One minifig is done. And there's another minifig we're going to put together. We're going to put the hat on. Oops. Let's start the hat while I'm at it. Okay, so we're going to do that. There we go. Where's the, here's the pants. Oh, let's not put them on backwards. Okay, now the hat. So we can go on this. There we go. Second minifig done. Okay, we're gonna start with this piece. We're gonna start with this piece. Oh, sorry. We're gonna start with this piece. And this is an interesting piece. It's a cool piece. We don't need that. We don't need that. We need this piece. I'm gonna see if found it. We need this piece. Don't know what the names of these pieces are, but yes. Okay, step 2. Step 2, we need to add this. This piece right here. The other wheel bracket. I don't know what they're called. I don't know the names of them. I should know my Lego terms, but I don't. I'm sorry. Okay, I need one of these. There. I need one of these. We're gonna put that on there. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Now I need 2 of these. I need one here. Like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but with the other one, like this. Like that. Okay. And then we're going to grab another one of these. Nope. Sorry, I'm moving the box out of the way. Sorry. Okay, we're going to put this like so. And then we're going to take these two pieces like this. The same thing on the other side like this. Oops. Helps if I put it in the right spot. Now I gotta go to the second page. Sorry, I had to look at the book, on the page, so I don't rip the pages, because that would suck. So I need two of these. So I need this slope. I don't know, think that's what it's called, but I'm calling it that because I don't know what it's called. And we're gonna put it like that. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Oops. Helps if I put it in the right spot. Okay, that's what we have so far. And I need this piece. This piece is just going to go right there. Okay, that's easy. So we're on step 8. Sorry, I'm checking the time right now. I have college group tonight, so I don't want to, miss college group. Oh, so we're gonna take this and put this piece, this Technic piece here. So some of them I know the names of some of these, but not all of them. This is a base plate, a very interesting base plate. Okay, I need, hold on, one of these. So I need one of these blue ones. I need 2 of them. I need one of these. Right, so we're gonna put this one in front of this white one. In front of that, we're gonna put that in front like that. Oops, like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna take. Nope, we're not gonna take that. We're gonna take this. Put that there. We're gonna take the other one. This one. The exact same one on this side, and do the exact same thing on this side. Except they're flipped. I had to flip them. I put them wrong. The nice thing is it's an easy fix, so just gotta fix that. Fix that. Like that. It is done. Okay, that's done. Steps 8 and 9. Steps 1 through 9 are done. Now we're on step 8. Whoa. We skipped. Whoa, we're on Steps 1 through 9 are done. Now we're on step 10. I accidentally skipped to step 12. Did not mean to. So we're going to do this 3 times. It's 1, 2, and 3. So this is what we have so far. Okay. Then we're going to take these pieces. I call these vents because they look like vents. So we're going to take these vents and we're going to put them right here. Oh, right here. One right here. Put another one right here. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. And I need that. There it is. So I find all of them. Hard to find them when they're buried. Okay, so we got that. So we got that on that side and then the same thing on the other side. So steps 1 through 11 are done. Now we're on steps 12. So on step 12 we need this guy. This 2 by 2 square block, which is going to go right on top of here. Right there. Then we need this piece that I pointed out earlier. This is like the engine, kind of. No, I think this is like the engine. And it's going to go. It's going to go right there. It's going to go on right there. Okay. So steps 1 through 13 are done. Steps 14. We need. So 14 involves putting this and that, putting the broom like that there, and then we need, can I find the piece that I need? That's the question. I can. I just gotta figure out where it is. Found it. This is a 1 by 2 brick with texture on it. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah. And this thing is going to go in front of the engine. Like, oops. Sorry, let me put it at an angle where you can see what I'm doing. Like that. Oops. Skip over. One over. There we go. Just like that. Okay. Steps 1 and... So steps 1 through 14 are done. We're on step 15. So step 15 involves putting these on. So we're going to put this on. So this one goes right here. This one goes right here. Okay, so steps 1 through 15 are done. Steps, whoa. We skipped. Step 16. We're on step 16. Woo. We're going to put this here, like this. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Same thing on the other side. Oops. There we go. Forgive me for saying oops a lot. And then we're going to take this piece. We're going to take this little slope, 2x2 slope, and put it right here. Right there. So steps 1 through 17 are done. Now we're on step 18. Sorry, I rolled my sleeves up. Okay. Step 18 involves two of these. So we're going to put one on this side. Other side. We're going to put one on this side. Now we're going to do the same thing, but on the other side. Like this. Like that. Okay. Step 19 involves two of these. Where's the other one? There. These two L-shaped pieces. They're going to go like that. Now we're going to put the other one like that. There we go. Step 20 involves two more of these Technic pieces. And two of these. And two more of these Technic pieces, but black. So like the same thing, but black. We need the black ones too. Okay. We're gonna put the. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna stick it all the way through. We're gonna do the same thing with the other one. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the other one. So we're just gonna stick it all the way through like that. Okay. Now we're gonna take the blue one and do that. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. Now we're gonna touch them. And it says we touch them here. We're gonna touch them there and here. There. So there. Okay. Step 21. Step 21, we're going to add that piece. Step 22 is two of these. So we're going to add that, the 2x1 clear blue, and do the same thing, but right here. Like that. Step 23, we're going to take this piece, and we're going to put it here. And we're going to take this piece, and stick it here, like that. Step 24, we need this slope and this vent. I call it a vent because that's what it looks like. I'm going to put this, oops. I'm going to put this right here. Like that. That slope right there. And then this vent is going to go right behind it. Like that. Okay. Step 25. We need these pieces, these curves. I don't know what they're called, sorry. And we have to figure out how. Now we have to attach them to these. Now we have to attach this to this. And I'm gonna do my best to attach it because it's so big and so wide. Okay, so we have that done. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Got it done. Okay. Step 26, we're going to take the steering wheel. And we're going to put the steering wheel here. So the steering wheel is going to go right inside. Oops. We're going to take the steering wheel and put it right in here. Like that. Like that. And then we're going to take these two and put them, we're going to put these two, we're going to put one of this, we're going to take this piece. Oops, I just threw it. Camera. This piece. I'm going to put it right here. We're going to put it right here on these two. We're going to put one there like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to add one, right, we're going to put one right next to it. We're going to do the same thing on right next to it like that. Okay, so that's step 2. That's steps 1 through 26 are done. Step 27. Or 27. Sorry, step 27. Step 27 is this. So we're going to do the same thing. Just going to do that. Step 28 involve these two. I'm hoping I use all of these pieces, but I may not. Sometimes you don't always use all the pieces. So we're gonna take this and put it there. Then do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing with the clear blue, the transparent blue. Now we're on step 29, which is take this and put this on here, like that. Done. Step 30 is take these two. Add them like on top of like that. Step 31, we need 2 of these. So this is going to go like this right here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Like that. Okay, step 32 is going to take this. We're going to take this and just put like that. And then we're going to take this, put that like that, like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, like this, like that. Okay. Then we're going to take this. Oh, we're not done yet. Then we're going to take this. We're skip 36. We skip 36. We skip 35 and 34. We skip 34, 35, and 36. My bad. We need one of these. Take one of these and put it there. We need one of these in here. Oops. Take this and put this in here like this. Same thing on the other side. And I'm going to take this and the second piece and do that there. We're going to do the same thing on the other side and do that. At steps 34, 35, 36. Step 37, we can take this and, oops, and that, and that. Do the same thing on that side, like that. Okay. Now we're going to attach it to this. So it moves like that. That's pretty cool. Okay. I thought we're done. No, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Now we're going to do the wheels. So we're going to take these and put them in here like this. They're not easy to put in there. That's a pain in the butt. I got to do that 4 times. Take the spokes. I gotta fix one. I gotta fix them. I gotta make sure I do it right. Okay, we're gonna do it again. It's so hard to do. Sorry, I'm doing this off camera because it's a pain in the butt to do. Okay, now we're gonna attach this, to these spokes, to the car, to the tire spokes. So these, I don't know what these are called. Like that. I love that sound. We're not done yet though. We need to add this. But we have an issue. We have to fix this. We have to fix this because this is backwards. I mean, like, really backwards. Like, there you go. I fixed it because that was backwards. It's not backwards right now, but it was good. And then I'm just going to take this and attach it to this. Add it. There we go. There we go. It's done. Tractor's done. The tractor's done, but we're not done yet. We'll worry about the people later. We're gonna build. So we're gonna take her, and we're gonna put her in here. We're gonna put her on the tractor. We're gonna put her on the tractor. Wait, does she stand or sit? She's sitting. Okay, so she's sitting in the tractor. Okay, so she's sitting like this. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna fix this. Now I'm fixing it, sorry. There we go. Now she's in there. She's in there. Okay. Now we're gonna take the, we've already built this guy earlier, after we built the girl one. Okay, so we're gonna take one of these Technic bricks. Oh, we need the black one. And we're gonna take this one. We're gonna take this and put it like that. Then we're gonna take this Technic brick or piece and put it like that. Okay. Then we're gonna attach this to this, like that, and then we're gonna attach this to this, like that. Okay. Okay. Now we need one of these, but we need one of these. We're gonna take this. I'm gonna do that. Attach it to that. Then we're gonna take this. Take this piece and put it like this. And throw the piece at my camera. I'm sorry. Sometimes they get they slip out my finger, like my fingers. Oh, I'm putting it in wrong. That's why. It was like it's going in because I was putting it in wrong. Then I need one of these. We're gonna put one of these like that. Okay, and we're gonna take this. Take that. We're taking this piece, this tiny little piece right here, and putting it inside here, like that. Okay. Then we're gonna take. Where's the little tiny piece? Where's the piece that we need? Where's the piece right here? Then we're gonna attach this to this. It's like the drill bit. I'm gonna take the base plate. I'm gonna take the flowers. I'm gonna put one. I take this flower, put it right there. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, like right there, like that. We're gonna do that. Then we're gonna take these two pieces, put like one right there and one right there. Okay. Then we're gonna take these pieces that look like wood. Oh, no, we're going to take this. We're going to do that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. There's one. It's a brick piece. Okay. Then we're going to take ones that look like wood, like this. Like wood. Oh. So I need all four of these. Okay. So I gotta attach this, like it says, so no. We're gonna do the same thing 4 times. I'm doing it off camera. So it's gonna look like that. Then we're gonna take this and put one right here. Take another one and put one right here. Oops, it's upside down. Take this leaf and put it right there. Take the other one and put it right there we go. Like that. Okay. Oh, jeez. Hold on, sorry. And then that's done with that one. Now we need to build. So we need this. We need these. So we're going to take this and take that there, put that there. We're going to take the same thing and do the same thing on the other side. Whee! Sorry. That's so much fun. Now, instead of moving, we have to do this. We're going to take this, base this little black plate, and put it there. Now we need one of these. Like that. And one of these like that. Like that. And then I need one of these here on that side. And then I need another one of these like on that side. Done. Okay. Next, I need this. I need to take this 4x1 and put the like this on that side. Take these like this, like that. Put this, that. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna take the chairs and put them here. Put one here, and put the other one on the same other side. On this side. Then we're gonna take this. Okay, there you go. We're gonna put one here. We're gonna put that phone there, and then we're gonna put this here. Okay. And we're gonna take these things like that, and like that. Okay. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take these. Satellites. That is. Okay. Okay. We're gonna put the extra pieces. These extra pieces in a Ziploc bag. So I don't like in their own bag. So thank you for watching. Bye.